update on Newbies on Fire to show you some back office proof. As you can see, this is me right here. This is my team member, just started, already hit leaderboard. This is my team member. This is my team member. This is my team member, and this is my team member. Pretty much my team is taking up the entire leaderboard. I want to show you guys some back office proof right here. So far with the system, I've made 1225 in total right now. Already up right now, $50 for today. And again, guys, this is one of my side hustles. What I'm doing right now, I am going to be hosting a call for everyone that comes in at $100. Go straight to the 100. And I'm looking at tentatively tomorrow evening to basically show you how to get to a fast start. This is going to be training to literally just tell you how I turn my Facebook into an ATM, right? How I went from struggling to make money online to actually making money online, and give you a step-by-step blueprint how you can also do the same, right? Strictly by really utilizing Facebook and honestly YouTube. I don't run much traffic in the background. I do Hercules, and I don't even do that every single day. I do that when I remember to do it. But what I'm doing for my first 10 people that come at 100, I am going to send you a link so you can get on a private call with me and literally let me show you how to start earning money online. This is for any business, guys. It's once you learn the formula, once you really get it down, you can go to any company, right, and start building a business online. Not only that, of course, you'll get training in your back office with Newbies on Fire, but showing you how to get to a fast start. Again, this is for my level 100s only. It's going to be the first 10 people. I'm going to get you guys on a Zoom and really just give it to you raw, right, as how to start making income online. Struggle for like 4 years online, never made any, was making money here and there, but of course not enough to go full time. And then finally I got around the right mentors, start implementing the correct strategies, and start making money online, guys. I don't make money by mistake. I make money on purpose. And I'm going to show you how to start making income online, guys. So not only that, it's a great system. Anyone can come in. It is completely ground floor. It's only been going on for maybe now, I'm going to say less than 2 weeks, the system, and they're going to be adding more capture pages. The training is phenomenal. If you're really looking to learn how to market on social media, like you really want to learn how to do this, then get the system. Coming at 100, I'm going to get you on my call. Again, this is a private call. I'm not going to host just an open call. It's going to be a private call for the ones who come in at 100 or more, because I feel like when you do that, you have a little bit more invested and a little more stick in the game, which means that you're looking to profit right away. If you're at the $25 level, of course, once you upgrade, then I can get you onto the call, but you got to be at the 100 in order for me to get you on this private strategy call, guys. And I promise you, the information that I share with you, you're going to walk away a way better marketer, and you're going to walk away having way more valuable information that not only you can use yourself, but also pass along to your team. I'm also going to give the first 10 people, I'm going to give you my solo ad titles, right? So if you were to run traffic or Hercules or solo ad titles, I'm going to give you my titles. You can just cut and paste them. They work. They get people to open emails. I will give you those also once you come into the $100 level. So if you're at 25, you got to upgrade. And if you have not signed up, then you got to come straight to the 100, and then I will get you on that call. And I will also give you my killer solo ad titles, again, that gets people to open up emails. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Take care.